Do you suffer from low back pain, mainly on one side? Let me show you a couple tricks to help you relieve that pain. You find yourself getting comfortable like this? Could be the reason for your back pain. The pesky muscle, short for the QL, gets super aggravated and super short and will send radiating pain down your leg. You can do a stretch if you have some stairs or a step outside. So if I'm looking to stretch this, hold on to something to give you balance, get one foot close to the edge, the other foot on the affected side, hang off, let it hang, let gravity take it, and then reach over and do a side bend or a lateral stretch, and it's gonna stretch out all of this. You can do it for 90 seconds if you can tolerate it. The stretch on the stairs was not effective or long lasting. You might need something deeper. A softball or a tennis ball or a lacrosse ball, you can lie on it and focus on some breathing drills. What you do is lie on your back, place the softball on the outside of the spine. Don't put it on the spine, that would be really painful. And just lay down on it and take some really deep breaths in through the nose, filling all that belly space, and a long breath out. That'll help release that really tight muscle and fix how you're sitting, because it won't get any better if you keep sitting like that.